Hello guys, welcome to our channel scamlazy.com. Today we are going to expose Supreme Keto ACV gummies, a gummies which is high in trend in Canada right now. A lot of you may have seen so many reviews for this supplement on the internet, also on so many posts on news website, but are they actually true or just a fake? But are they true? Be with this Supreme Keto ACV gummies review to know the truth. We found so many products like Supreme Keto ACV gummies and exposed them on our channel and also on our website. You can check them out too. Now let's come to the Supreme Keto ACV gummies. Well, it is a product of a ghost-like company which claims that it can help to start ketosis and helps to lose weight. Also, the company claims that you can start ketosis without following any keto diet or exercise, but this is a completely hoax statement because there is no supplement which can help you to get into ketosis without keto diet. All the claims of Supreme Keto ACV gummies is made on its website and claims that it is using keto, BHB and ACV, which is apple cider vinegar. However, BHB found good for ketosis, but still it is recommended to follow a strict diet plan and exercise. The company behind the Supreme Keto ACV gummies is like a ghost-like company because there is no presence outside the website. There are so many claims made by the product like helps to lose weight, start ketosis process and burn off the fat cells. But we are sure that these claims are fake and product is ineffective because there are no real customer reviews. Also, company is unknown and most important thing that full ingredient list is missing from the official website. However, the reviews for this supplement are so good. But what is the reality behind this Supreme Keto ACV gummies reviews, which I saw on the internet? So if you take a close look on those reviews, you will see that the reviews post under the sponsored content and is 100% biased and even published by the third party. This is a type of cheap marketing technique like buying or posting biased reviews and create a positive image about the product in the eyes of people, and it makes easy to scam people. Now let's come to the another term which is floating on the internet, which is Supreme Keto ACV gummy Shark Tank endorsement. Means people are thinking that this product is endorsed by Shark Tank, which is completely scam. You can check out a video on Shark Tank Keto scam here on the I button. So the product is using fake marketing technique which points that the Supreme Keto ACV gummies is just a scam and nothing. Now let's come to the pros and cons section. Well, there are only two pros that we can say about this supplement. The product is only available online and may taste good. That's it. But now there is so many cons such as no clear information about the manufacturer, full ingredient list is missing. Also the reviews are paid and biased. It costs a very high price to the customer and it is a scammy type product. The single bottle of Supreme Keto ACV gummy cost you $69 in USA and also in Canada. And this is something which is really high price for me. If you are thinking to invest in this supplement, we can say that you are going to wasting your money. Now let's end this Supreme Keto ACV gummy review. We can say that the product is unreliable and potentially dangerous weight loss supplement and a scam. So stay away from such type of product. We suggest to do more research before buying anything on the internet because there are so many scammers. Now you can subscribe our channel and follow us on our website and also on our social media to get much more information and reviews like this. Thanks for watching.